In front of me is Redmi 17 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on this section here called accessibility. Thanks to it, you can tap on one-handed mode and activate it thanks to this switcher on the right. Then follow all of those instructions. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, I can see that it works. To go back, just click on the top area or swipe up. If you want to disable one-handed mode fully, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!